Welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to guide you through the process of moving money around the crypto space. There's lots of different ways to do this and some ways can be quite costly, so we're going to show you a couple of cheap ways to move your money around the crypto space. Before we get into today's video, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, please. Right, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so a lot of exchanges you want to use don't allow you to deposit your country's fiat currency into their exchange. For example, two of my favourite exchanges are Mexi and Bitrue, but because I'm from the UK, it's a real pain in the arse because both of these exchanges don't allow me to deposit Great British pounds. So I have to get my Great British pounds into a UK friendly exchange and then transfer it over to Mexi or Bitrue in order to buy whatever coin I'm after. Now, there's many different networks you can use to transfer crypto to another wallet, but each network charges a different fee. So the aim of today's video is to show you the cheapest ways to move money around the crypto world. The first thing you need to do is get your fiat currency into an exchange, and preferably one where XRP and USDT are available. Okay, so my first choice of coin for moving money around the crypto space is USDT. However, this is only a good option if you can use certain networks. As you'll see on the screen, each exchange has a different number of networks available. The exchange on the left allows you to use the Algorand network to transfer USDT, but the exchange on the right doesn't. Also, you'll see the fees for the exchange on the left, and using the Ethereum network can be very expensive as the fee is 8 USDT compared to 1 USDT for most of the other networks. So I'd strongly recommend you don't use the Ethereum network to move money around the crypto world. Personally, I use the Tron network most of the time, or Arbitrum, both of which have some of the cheapest fees and they're pretty speedy. So before you convert your fiat money into USDT, you want to plan your transfer. Firstly, go to the exchange where you want to send the money and search for USDT, and then click deposit and see which networks they have available. Now go to the exchange where your fiat currency is sitting and search for USDT, and then click on withdraw and see which networks they have available. Find a network that is available on both exchanges and one that has a cheap transaction fee such as Tron or Arbitrum. If Ethereum is the only network available when you click on USDT and then withdraw, then it will be too expensive to transfer USDT. So let's move on and look at option number 2. Okay, so option number 2 is XRP, which is super fast and cheap as chips. It's widely available across the whole crypto space, and nearly all transfers cost well under $1. The important thing to remember about transferring funds using the XRP network is that you'll need to enter a wallet address and a tag number the majority of the time. So if the exchange where your fiat money is sitting has XRP, then it's a great way to move your money around the crypto world. Simply buy XRP, transfer it to the other exchange, and then sell it to USDT, and then you can buy whatever coin you want with that USDT. Okay, so now that you have a plan to actually do it, here's what you do. So step 1, convert your fiat currency into USDT. Step 2, go to the exchange where you want to send your funds, search for USDT and then click deposit. Select the network you want to use and then copy the wallet address it gives you. Step 3, go back to the exchange where your funds are and search for USDT and then click withdraw. Select the same network that you selected in step 2 and then paste the wallet address in the wallet address section and enter how much you want to transfer and then complete your verifications. If you're planning to transfer a large amount, then it might be worth testing the process first with a small amount because it's only going to cost you $1. So test it first, make sure it works, and then if you're going to send thousands of pounds, then you can do that afterwards. Step 4, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the exchange to release your funds onto the network and then the transaction to go through the network and land in the destination wallet. Okay folks, that wraps up today's video, and you should now be a lot more clued up about the cheaper ways to move your funds around the crypto world. If USDT and XRP aren't available options for you, then try using Cardano, Solana or BNB instead. If you can smash that like button before you leave, that would be greatly appreciated, and don't forget to follow us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and trade well everyone.